I am the bunny who hides your eggs and leaves you the sweetest treats. But it's 2018, so I have to be mean, cause it's April Fool's, you teats. So with big long ears and my little pink nose, I'll be hopping down your streets. But the only thing I ask for is a little privacy. Don't look at me! This is gonna be fun. Krista gets nachos, Mark gets twine, silly Angie gets a parking fine. Corey puts it on his skin, Ori gets the hose again. Chell gets a purple bovine, that's because you're all on the naughty list. No, you're not cool with me, just kidding. Just as long as you